Mother bird. When the cord was cut, my mother lifted up my bloody body and vomited all the jaded women who lived inside her into my open, naive mouth, like a mother bird regurgitating rotten worms into her baby's carcass. My first sound was not a singular cry, but a guttural symphony from all the bodies inside my body, interweaving discordant pain that ripped through the hospital ward. They live in an entangled, mangled heap in the pit of my stomach. I starve them.
Like my mother bird and her mother bird.